Samsung fans, stop everything. Imagine waiting months for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, you hit pre-order day, and bam. Your favorite perk is gone forever. No more, free double storage upgrade, that 256GB turning into 512GB for the same price. History. Is Samsung really about to make one of the riskiest moves in flagship history? This could kill pre-orders. Stick with me because today's leaks are wild. First, the big drama reports from Korea say Samsung is seriously thinking of scrapping the double storage pre-order bonus for the entire S26 series. Why? Memory chip prices are skyrocketing thanks to AI demand and supply shortages. DRAM costs up over 50% already, and experts say another 30 to 40% hike coming in 2026. Samsung's feeling the pinch hard. Prices might rise too, especially in places like Korea. The US could stay the same for now. But if they drop this perk, fans are furious. Comments are exploding. I'm switching to Pixel. Bring back the SD card. This is robbery, pre-orders drive, huge sales for Samsung, ditching the best deal ever. That's dangerous. But hold up, it's not all bad news. Samsung is going all in on AI. Bixby is getting a massive glow up with Perplexity. AI integration. Get ready for this. Say, "Hey Plex." Even with the screen off and Perplexity pops up instantly, the app will come pre-installed on the S26 series. That means your Galaxy could have 3 AI assistants: Bixby for basics, Gemini for Google stuff, and now Perplexity for super smart searches with sources. Mind blown. This is next level. Design-wise, early dummy units are leaking. The S26 Ultra is ditching those super sharp boxy edges from the S24, and S25 instead, softer, more rounded corners for better in-hand feel. Some fans hate it, bring back the Note vibes, but others love it. Cameras, bigger lenses incoming, better light capture for insane photos, and the layout might change to a raised island instead of individual bumps. Colors like black shadow, white shadow, and more are rumored, but take those with salt. Some leaks look fake. Quick reality check. Unpacked is locked for February 25, 2026 in San Francisco, launch next month. So tell me in the comments, would you still pre-order the S26 Ultra without double storage, or is this a deal breaker? Like, if you're hyped for the AI upgrades, subscribe for more leaks and hit that bell so you never miss an update. This is huge, guys. Samsung is taking risks. Will it pay off? See you in the next one.